I'm a superstar manager and my teams are killing it.
With OptiSigns, I can keep my team focused and up to date by making any screen into a digital sign. You might think it's these fancy things like team KPIs and close rates. Sure, those things are important. But OptiSigns allows me to update my hundreds of employees anytime on any screen. Is it easy? Yeah. I mean, do I look like a tech guy? Boom, templates. Add images, videos, calendars, announcements, weather. These customizable templates make me look like a pro. All you need is the OptiSign app, a streaming device, and an internet connection. You can use integrations to add music, meeting room availability, and QR codes. I can even show our testimonials in the office. Keeping all my teams up to date is so easy with OptiSigns. It blows my mind.